Welcome to Higher People Inc. Please visit us at higheridpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher People on your favorite social platforms.
Today's job ID is 35651. The job location is in San Jose, California. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: strong QA and automation experience in data center network switching platforms, strong knowledge of L2 protocols, IGMP, STP, VLAN, COS concepts, good Linux platform experience, good Python automation experience, knowledge on traffic tools like IXIA, Packet, IPERF, etc. Role: Senior QA Automation Engineer for validating data center network switches. Fabric Interconnect. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 5 years. No certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is not required.
Thank you for your time, and if you think you are the right fit for this position, please apply right now. Higher People Inc. Please visit us at higheridpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher People on your favorite social platforms.